BrownGirlBella.
Hello babes, if you want to see this completed look using Mothership 3 Subversive, stay with us. Hey babes, it's me Shannon B for BrownGirlBella, back to bring you more lips, lashes, and luxury. And today, yes, I am going to be doing a palette playback with one of my favorite motherships from Pat McGrath. This one is Mothership 3 Subversive. You want to see how I got this look? Stay tuned. So we're going to begin with priming the face and putting on my foundation and preparation for the Mothership Subversive Playback palette. So I won't go through each of these steps because you've seen it plenty of times before, and it will be in the description box. So if you want to shop with Shannon, you have an opportunity to do so. So I'm just gonna put the primer on. I really do like that primer. It's really good. And my Pat McGrath foundation. Again, for those days you really want a nice light coverage, this is so beautiful and so skin-like. Concealer in number 24, same as my foundation. I'm going to use that underneath my eyes. To set, I'm going to use Pat McGrath's powder in medium underneath the eyes. To set the rest of the face, I'm going to use Pat McGrath's powder also in medium. Next, we're going to add some blush using Charlotte Tilbury's Cheek to Chic in Intense. By her bronzer in number 4, which is Fonts. These eyebrows. Clean up on aisle 2. Brooklyn. No, I don't want you. Just telling everybody you're over here making noise. Again. For highlighter, I'm going to throw on a sample that I got a while back by IBY Beauty. This is a Radiant Glow highlighter in the shade 24K Magic. I'm just going to grab a mini cheek. Wow. Oh, all right. So now for the star of the show, let's grab our Pat McGrath. This is Mothership number 3 Subversive. I have to say this was the first one that really kind of like caught my eye and put Pat McGrath on my radar. But in actuality, I believe this is the second purchase I made of her big palettes, because I used my $100 gift card that I got from Sephora, and I bought Mothership 5. So that was the first one I ever purchased of Motherships. And then This one was out of stock. That's why I didn't purchase it. And then I ended up going back and getting this. So here are the colors in here. Let me try to put this on top so it doesn't blind you. These are the colors. I mean, it just screams to me fall, beautiful, deep colors. Of course, it's made in Italy. And I cannot say enough about this palette. It's just beautiful. And so because I'm wearing gray, I'm gonna dive into the black metal. But before I do that, I'm going to put extreme black using a fluffy brush. This is a classic crease. And I'm gonna put that black all over my eye and really smoke it out. All right, let me get an even bigger fluffy brush. To really smoke that out. Wiping off the brush that I started off with, I'm gonna go back and use black metal, and that's gonna be on my lid. For that lower lash line, I'm gonna go in, give it a little pop of blue by using Blitz Amethyst. And in the inner corner, I'm going to use a little bit of purple, and that is Night Creature. Gorgeous color. Perfect for right in that little corner there. Going to use Wayne Goss's Essential Eye Kohl in Obsidian to line the upper and lower lash line. Eyelash primer. And the Milk Cosmetics Kush Mascara. MAC Chestnut. And my favorite lip balm by Pat McGrath, Blow Up. This is her mini version. And here is the finished look. This was one of my favorite palettes. I'm so happy that I got a chance to play it back again. This is the Mothership III by Pat McGrath in Subversive. If you don't have it, ladies, pick it up. It's still available. It's a great fall palette to use and to wear. As you can see, you can use this day and night. This is definitely a nighttime look, but I suggest you grab it while it's still available and play with it. Now that you're home, you can dress your eyes as smoky and as fabulous as you want. because we're not going anywhere. Take some pictures, do something fun, or just make yourself up to make yourself feel good. It's a great palette, very user-friendly, very easy to blend. As you can see, I made short work with this, and it's all due to the colors and the shades and the tones in this palette. I can't say enough about it. It's great. It's worth $125. Absolutely. You won't be sorry. If you'd like to get it, shop with Shannon and use the link below. Until next time, you've been Bellified. Take care, and I'll see you back here soon.